All right, so I'm here for a no start, Flying J, Northeast Maryland, for a cash customer. So apparently nobody wants to come out and jump start him and do whatever. He says he just needs a jump start. So we're gonna check voltage on it and go from there. Make sure I lock the door. Yep, okay. Man, these batteries ain't even strapped down. These batteries just moving all around. Anyway, he's at 12.8. So, does the truck crank at all?
No.
Is this tick tick sound?
I mean, it does, you see?
You turning it now, right?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. Let me see. I want to try to get a draw.
Okay.
I want to see if it's drawn because right now your batteries are at 12.8. So, but I'm gonna have you turn. I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna have you turn the key, and we'll see if it draws.
Okay, so will you put it back on? Put it back on?
No, you can just go ahead. Go ahead and just turn the key.
Turn it, you said?
Yeah. Give me a sec. Hold on.
Okay.
I can't see my meter. All right, go ahead and turn the key. All right, that's good. Gotcha. All right. I don't think it needs a jump start. You got a bad connection right there. It just sparked.
Oh.
All right, so give me a second.
Okay.
All right, so it looks like he's got a bad connection. I might have to jump start, I don't know. But he doesn't have the battery strap down. He ain't got no straps. He's gonna have to get straps for this. Because they're just moving all around. I mean, they're not gonna fall out, but they should be secured down. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten up everything and then let him know. And let him know he's going to get some straps for the batteries. I think that's my 9/16 there. Well, I don't know if y'all saw the spark or anything. There's the straps there. God damn. Take this shit off. Now, you know your batteries are moving around, right?
I didn't know that.
Okay, your straps here.
Okay. So I'm gonna let him. This is not even my tractor. I'm driving for somebody, but I'm gonna let him know all of this.
All right. Well, here's one of them now.
Okay. So that's why it's okay.
But if you look down here, everything, all the batteries are moving. They're off the edge here.
So that's why. Okay.
So he's got a loose connection here. This is where it was sparking. So these all jumpers. This wasn't even touching the battery. So probably because it's been like this. Now this one's even loose too. Look at that. It's probably because the batteries are shifted. I'm gonna try to see if I can do something about this strap here. this is loose right here. All right, so this is his problem. It's got loose connections, and if you notice, this is going down, wasn't even touching the battery. And even this one's loose. And that one's loose a little. That one's tight. Yeah. All right, they're all tight. All right, see if it starts. All your batteries are loose. All the terminals. So I got them tightened down. I'm gonna see there's the one strap there. There's one still connected, and it still has a nut on it. So I'm gonna try to lift that up and see if I can we'll see if that nut will tighten. See if that nut will tighten and maybe hold them in.
Okay.
I don't think I have a nut for this. I can check my box.
Okay.
So that's what it was a loose connection. Well, the strap, the securement strap is off, and the battery's been shifted around, and they all loosened up again. When the jumpers are loose like that, and not even touching the batteries, it's not getting the full battery power on all 4 batteries. So I'm gonna try to see if I can't get the one side to turn and tighten down, and maybe try to find a nut for this. I wonder if this broke off, because this one's awful short. I think it broke. I think it snapped up top here. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. So I'm gonna stop this video right now, and yeah, as a matter of fact, this will do it here. I'm gonna figure out the securement myself, see if I can't get this thing tight and get payment from them. So that's gonna do it on this one. I'll see y'all in the next one.